guys! So, officially, hindi na nakakain si Krista kasi mas masakit na naman yung tiyan niya. Sakit yung tiyan niya eh. So, ako na lang. I have no real life support. I supporter. Mm. Mm. Oh, those are big. Okay. Mm. Bye.
Sa bibig, oh, daming kanin mo, bibig. Sa CR na, kaya walang tubig.
Bye-bye, guys. Kaming kanin. Bye-bye, guys. Bye-bye, guys. Bye-bye.
CR na walang tubig.
Ayan, dito tubig.
Na. Tira.
Yeah.
Hindi mo hawakan yung ano, kamay ko. Kitabon. Pwede mo man ito. Sige, boyfriend. Hindi ito. Ano ikaw gawin, bro? Oh. It's so dramatic.
As time passed, the man would bring back newspaper articles or missing posters. And I specifically remember him saying, the whole of Salt Lake is looking.
Water, cause we're officially done eating.
Well, I guess I don't really know. Family loves it.